Hey guys! I decided to make some short videos on chemical and biochemical topics, and today I would like to speak about proteins. First of all, what are proteins? Proteins consist of amino acids. Amino acids are built of different atoms, mainly carbon, hydrogen, also oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. These molecules, amino acids, are connected to long chains to build a protein. However, these chains aren't just straight. They are folded to give three-dimensional structures. Like here, for example. You can see that's a three-dimensional structure of a protein. By the way, that's one of the proteins I work on. And you can see that there are different folds and loops, and all of them consist of amino acids. There are different types of proteins. Structural proteins, for example, that gives a structure to our body, our muscles. However, there are different types of proteins as well, such as catalytic proteins. They catalyze different reactions in our body. For example, they know how to cleave glucose to give us energy, and they do all the important reactions in our body. So when we eat protein, we don't want to have this folded structure. We have to make it back to a single long chain. We have to denature it. How can we do it? First of all, there's cooking. You can denature proteins by cooking, or proteins get denatured in our stomach because of the acidic conditions. Then, when this long protein chain is present in our stomach, our own catalytic proteins that are the workers in our stomach, can cleave this protein we ate, which is a long chain, and the small pieces can be absorbed in our digestive system and transported and utilized by our cells. So when you hear that, oh my god, all the denatured protein, they're toxic and you shouldn't eat them and they harm our body and our body can't utilize it, it isn't true, because we need denatured proteins in order to cleave them so that they can get absorbed and utilized by our bodies. Also, another thing is, I hear all the time from people who are eating raw food that you need some raw proteins from different plants, that they help our system to digest. But that are foreign proteins. They aren't optimized to the acidic conditions in our stomach, so they will get denatured as well and digested by our own proteins that evolved to digest foreign proteins to give us the amino acids we need to build our muscle or our own enzymes in the body. We don't have any need for foreign enzymes because everything we need is produced by our body itself. If you have any questions about chemistry, biochemistry, I'm happy to answer them. Just comment below, and thanks a lot.